Hi friends, hey, welcome back to the Expeditionary Johnny channel. Well, I'm out here at Platte River State Park and I'm going to get a few miles in today, and thought I'd try to bring you guys along for the trip. So let's head on inside. All right, first stop, the observation tower. If we head on up them there steps, we should get a pretty good view of the whole area. So let's go check it out. Well, we made it. As you can see, pretty good view out there of the Platte River. All right, here we go. Now that we got our view in, it's time to hit the trails here. Start with a little bit of a descent here. All right, so today's goal is just to get a few extra miles. I've got a navigation class that I'm going to go to over in Ohio, and I think it's supposed to be pretty intense. So I've been hitting the gym, trying to hit the cardio pretty good, wear out my legs, and just driving home, I thought I'd hit some hills over here at Platte River State Park. It's not altogether flat, so it should be a good bit of training here. And hopefully we'll see some cool stuff along the way. All right, we're off to a great start here. All right, I guess we're going to have to go to plan B. Take the bypass here. Well, it looks like this isn't the first time anybody else has walked this, so okay. Well, I guess we do get a bridge to cross after all. There are paths all over the place around here. So Platte River has got a lot of mountain biking trails around here. So the hikers and the bikers got to share it, so you got to be careful of that. But boy, I tell you, there's a lot of options. Well, I got to teach a bow drill class next weekend, so might as well grab some good tinder material while I can. I just kind of missed an opportunity. I was sitting there collecting up some cedar bark, and then all of a sudden I saw the white tail of a deer just hopping away. So I guess I was getting close, but then made a little too much noise for the fella. So this portion of the trail runs right along the fence line of some private property to my right. You can see this is a pretty well-worn trail here. Well, I just ran across a deer right up there. I was trying to record her, but she's just too buried back there in the trees there. But it's kind of nice that I'm running across some deer out here. Well, I just completed the loop back that way, and so I'm back out here, kind of open area. It's a little breezy. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to get back inside the woods so I can get a break from the winds. I'll go ahead and stuff all this cedar bark inside my haversack, and we'll make this up a little snack. All right, while we're taking a little break here, I thought now would be a good opportunity to show why I like to wear cargo pockets on my pants here. There was plenty of opportunity to gather up cedar bark out here. I did so much, kind of filled up both pockets here. Okay, we found a nice spot to make our snack. While it's nice and pretty over there by the creek, it's windy. And so with it being cool, it's chilling me out, and also it's not great for cooking. So I've got a nice little place to sit, and I actually can take on the view. All right, so what are we making today? We're gonna keep it simple. We're gonna make some popcorn, okay? All right, so I've got my little canister stove and a little burner. Got my 2-man Stanley cook kit, and got all of our ingredients in there, and a little extra. All right, so got a little bit of oil, cheese powder, powdered butter, salt, butter, and of course our popcorn. Okay, this is gonna be really quick. All right, that was nice and easy. Let's put a little bit of butter onto our popcorn. Add a little bit of butter to our popcorn here. There we go. Now, popcorn always needs a little salt. And I wouldn't be the food snob that I am if I didn't amp this up a little bit more. A little bit of powdered butter. Oh yeah. A little bit of powdered cheese. All right. Let's grab our lid and give it a shake. Yum, yum. Oh, yeah. Simple pleasures, folks. Mm. Mm. Well, all right. Well, I think mission accomplished. I got a few miles. I want to sit here and enjoy my little snack here, and head on back to the car. And then guess what? I got a live to do tonight, so we'll be talking about the Camp Challenge Alliance. So here we're the end of April, so that means you're not too late to get your entry in for the Catch and Cook. And then next month it's all about water procurement, treatment, boil it, cook with it, dump it on a buddy. Hey, whatever you want to do. All right, hey, thanks for tuning in. See you on the next one. Later.